Morning. It's Monday morning today. Still on this campsite here, look. These litres on. Let's look at this ice here. That puddle there was a puddle. It's that ice rink now. Tell you, when you've got these litres on, you don't realise how cold it is out here. Them diesel litres are brilliant. So the plan today, we've decided we're going to go to Avimore, and we've seen a wildlife park up there, and it says they've got polar bears. So seeing as it's winter and there's snow about, we'll go and have a look. Shukran. This morning we are having pancakes in the Ridge Monkey. So this is the campsite we stopped in last night. That's the entrance over there. Got all these statics. There's your toilets and showers, and this toilet shower is amazing. This is your touring part here. Mainly caravans. Oh, we're going to set off towards Avimore now. See you later. Highland Soap Company. We're in there, look how busy it is.
Have we been in there before?
Yeah, we have, haven't we? I just thought that when I looked at it. I thought that looks very familiar.
Well, there's one, isn't there?
Oh, look, dogs. 2 dogs, look.
2 lots of
They're
RT.
going to break it out, yeah. Park there, come.
Yeah.
Just go in there for that 1 minute and then carry on.
You've got your own barbers
yeah.
and stuff here.
I've been there with.
Snug.
I'll go pay a fare, so have a look now, come back to there.
Is that Aldi and own bargains?
Yeah, we'll go there, that'll be enough.
Just parked up over there in this car park where all these shops are. Just having a look around here. It's just started snowing. Need to find a park up ASAP. There's Gaff. In a dodgy hat. Look like a gnome.
Wayne brought me this.
I know he did. Knowing Wayne it were about $2.99.
No, he's not out with money.
For a park for night. So we come up this dodgy road, have a look at this dodgy road. This is where it's taking us. Apparently there's a couple of park for nights up here. So the one I'm going to is 1.2 mile away. I think there's like 2 or 3 before it. It's funny how you come a bit higher up and it starts snowing.
Yeah.
Friggin' hell. That's it. that's the one that I've just... This is it here somewhere. That must be there. Well, I don't want to park on there, I get stuck.
Keep going then a bit.
I need to turn round and go back down to the road, man. Pick another way, turn round up here. You can't really turn round here, can you? I'm not reversing onto that bloody grass, that is for sure.
We'll get stuck like we did last time. There, look. Are they them?
Pardon?
Are they them? Are they, they're better, look.
If that's all standing, we're going there, yeah.
It is hard standing.
What's that side there?
Go there, look,
Private
Dean.
road.
Either go outside them or go this side.
I don't mind going outside there, to be honest.
Well, this is a park up for tonight. Middle of nowhere, just outside Avimore. Well, it's probably about, how long? Probably 20 minutes from Avimore. Another camper there, that was already, we got here, we've been here about 10 minutes. I need to go in a minute because it's absolutely freezing. You can imagine, in February. That view. The views up here are stunning. God, it's freezing. Oh yeah, that's his park up for tonight. Right, I'm going in because it's bloody cold. Right, the time is 9 o'clock at night and we're just going to venture outside to have a look at the weather. We don't know what it's doing. Let's have a look. I bet it's bloody freezing. Oh, it's snowing.
It's snowing!
Get that torch. Look. It's a blizzard.
You ought to put windbreak out. I'm coming sat out with 30.
Look at it. Yep. We've got snow. Jesus Christ. Look. Can't see.
Here we are on Scotland's highlands in the snow. And the road's covering nice, so God knows what we'll do tomorrow.
Frig.
Hey?
It says friggin' hell.
There he is.
You love that.
This is Dean Fletcher reporting from the Scotland Highlands.
Look at it. Look at road.
Is that the road?
This is the road. Not good, is it?
Yeah.
Hey?
Yeah.
You love it, don't you?
Yeah, I do, yeah.
A bit snowing.
Go and have a look at that.
Jesus Christ. But don't tread on them puddles, that's just slip over.
Wow, look at that.
That's our bedroom.
Go in now and have a cup of tea.
Yeah.
It's not cold after all, is it?
It's not cold in van, is it?
No.
Bloody hell. Let me go in.
You go first, then where you are. Okay. Just look, throw away with your crocs. Just look.
Frig. Let's have a look at your lasses. Holy shit.
And we're going to a wildlife park tomorrow if we go off this hill.
Well, definitely going to
This mountain.
I've booked tickets.
You've just got to get off of here though, haven't you, first?
We're going to a wildlife park tomorrow because I've booked tickets.
I don't think I've shut that.
But we've got, I'll do it in a minute. So we've got to get off this bloody mountain first, haven't we, in the morning?
Yeah.
If that continues all night tonight,
It'll be ding dang dude tomorrow.
that's going to be...
I think I've
I'm not going to complain.
been in the blizzard.
Like Freddie Boswell. Right. Cup of tea time and we'll see you in the morning. Wow. One minute, state at van. I think it needs a bit of wash. It's not froze up anyway. Jesus.